Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the DEKOPRO Welding Helmet, a top-notch auto-darkening solar-powered welding mask perfect for TIG, MIG, and arc welding. This helmet boasts a 3.62 by 1.65-inch clear visor viewing area, switching from light to dark in an impressive 1/25,000th of a second, ensuring your eyes are always protected. With a 1/2 optical class, it offers superior clarity, thanks to its high-quality liquid crystal and optical coating, making it ideal for MMA, MIG, MAG, CO2, TIG, and plasma welding. The helmet is equipped with multiple settings, including built-in sensitivity and delay adjustments, allowing you to quickly adapt to different tasks by simply turning the external knob. Powered by a lithium battery and enhanced with solar panel technology, this helmet promises long-lasting performance, but remember to store it in a dark environment to preserve battery life. Weighing only 2 pounds, it features sturdy headgear with adjustable top and rear bands, providing a comfortable fit for extended use. So, whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the DEKOPRO welding helmet is designed to offer you unparalleled protection and comfort on the job. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.